Hi everyone, this is Brand Store. We help you to purchase wisely. Don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. Today we bring you 7th best car vacuum to buy in 2020. On top of our list, in first place we have the Armor Utility Wet or Dry Vacuum. The Armor Utility Wet or Dry Vacuum is an all-around cleaner that even comes with a leaf blower attachment you can easily use to clean your yard after giving your car a thorough vacuum cleaning. It comes with a very powerful 2-horsepower motor that should make it very easy to lift up anything off the various surfaces of your car's interior. It's designed specifically to suction both dry and wet materials, so it can give you excellent deep cleaning. We find the onboard organization scheme of the Armor to be especially useful, since this frees you from having to get another bag or container to put the accessories in. Let's have a look some of the features. Wet and dry pickup. Lightweight and portable. Easily converts to blower. Moving to the next one of the list, in the second position, we have the BLACKDECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Vacuum. One of the greatest assets of the BLACKDECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Vacuum is its battery life technology that helps ensure it is powered up anytime you want to use it for a good 18 months. And if you're going to trust the reviews of countless car owners who have used the BLACKDECKER, then you know that despite having a 15-watt motor, it's powerful enough to provide you with a really clean car. This is one of the obvious advantages of the BLACKDECKER. It may run on a less powerful motor, yet provides exceptional suction. Let's have a look some of the features. Smart charge technology. Removable and washable filters. Cyclonic vacuum action. Coming up next, in third place, we have the Shark Rocket Ultra Light Corded Vacuum. The Shark Rocket Vacuum is one of those incredibly popular tools you can use for cleaning all kinds of surfaces. It weighs about 8 pounds, which means you'll be able to move it around with ease. Furthermore, the vacuum transforms from a hand to a floor tool, so you can clean both floors and ceilings. It's incredibly efficient, allowing you to pick up dirt and all kinds of other particles around the house and in vehicles. This is a versatile and lightweight tool suitable for all kinds of applications. It's ideal for house and car cleaning and is incredibly easy to use. The main benefit is the compact design and cleaning efficiency. Let's have a look some of the features. Ultra lightweight vacuum, swivel steering for excellent control. Never loses suction. Now moving to the number 4. Fissworks Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. With this little tool, you can save the time and money you would usually spend at the car wash. The vacuum is incredibly compact and lightweight, allowing you to pick up most of the dirt and debris in your car. Additionally, since it's a handheld tool, the vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver. The vacuum is highly praised for its efficiency and the overall design. With a small yet powerful motor, ergonomic design, and lightweight construction, it is super useful for quick cleanups. It has 3 different nozzles, a HEPA filter, and a long cord to help you reach every corner of your vehicle. Let's have a look some of the features. Easy cleaning. Powerful suction. Portable vacuum cleaner. In the 5th position we have the Dirt Devil Scorpion Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Scorpion Vacuum Cleaner is one of those super small tools every driver could use. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and ideal for quick cleanups. You'll find it quite useful for taking care of unexpected messes while on the go. What drivers love the most about this tool is its compact design and powerful suction. The vacuum has a 7-amp motor and can pick up most of the dirt and dust found in cars. You can also use it for reaching tight areas such as underneath your seats. Let's have a look some of the features. To quick release power cord, to bagless design, to lightweight and easy to carry. Now moving to the number 6. Bissell Cleanview Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum. Here's another small vacuum that is ideal for cleaning up messes in vehicles and around the house. Although rather compact and lightweight, the tool is quite powerful and able to clean up all kinds of dirt. With a flexible rubber nozzle and an 18-foot long cord, you'll be able to clean all kinds of surfaces and at farther distances. The tool allows you to move freely and reach tight spaces without having to switch power sockets. In addition, the package includes a hose, crevice tool, and a wide mouth tool. These cleaning attachments will make your cleaning tasks even easier. Let's have a look some of the features. To flexible rubber nozzle, to dirt cup capacity, to easy vacuum cleaner. And finally we are at the end of our list. In the 7th position we have the VacLife Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The VacLife Car Vacuum Cleaner make your house and car clean with powerful suction. Free your movement for cleaning your stairs, kitchen and cars with cordless design. Long-lasting runtime. 30 minutes long-lasting runtime ensures a well performance of deep cleaning for your house and car. Fast charging. Charge the handheld vacuum about 3 hours. VacLife Car Vacuum make it easy to absorb the dust of the nooks. Brush tool clean food debris, paper scraps, cigarette ashes, pet hair easily. Extension soft hose cleaning all around your house and car. The hose is long enough for hard to reach areas. It also comes with a HEPA filter, which is good news for allergy sufferers, as well as a built-in LED cleaning light to help improve the way you vacuum poorly-lit areas. Let's have a look some of the features. Cordless design, all-around cleaning, bright LED light. Thanks for being with the brand store.